There's been quite a lot of bad news in the last couple of weeks, but now I am so happy to finally say I have some good news. I don't think anyone realizes how long I've wanted to make a purely positive video, and that's what this one is, and it's going to change everything. Amidst all this chaos, it's left a lot of people wondering, what platforms should you sell on? And whilst I have that video in the works where I'm reviewing all the different types of platforms that you can sell on, I thought I would share the good news from our friends at Printful. This video isn't sponsored or anything. I just really wanted to share this news because I think it will add a lot of money to a lot of your pockets. If you are unaware, Printful is a print-on-demand fulfillment company. They don't have a marketplace. However, you can connect your Printful account to various platforms like Etsy, eBay, Amazon, and Shopify, and a ton more. They're no small company either, having delivered over 60 million products in the last 10 years. I think they know what they're doing. Now, I've actually tested Printful a handful of times, and they were pretty good. It has been a while though, so they are due an updated test, which is coming soon, but for now, I'm quite happy with them. They're not the best, but they're definitely in my top 5 when it comes to garment quality and print quality. Now, most of the announcements over the last couple of weeks from various print-on-demand companies have been, we are taking more money from you. And quite frankly, I don't think Printful's announcement could have come at a better time. They're changing their prices. But wait, not to hurt sellers, to help sellers. And it's just a breath of fresh air that there is a company out there that listens and understands and actually does things to help sellers make more money. Now, usually I wouldn't bother about making a video about a minor change like this, but this price difference is big. Let's take a look at the announcement email they sent. So we're excited to announce that as of May the 11th, we're modifying our prices in order to help you grow your business. Here's what's happening on May the 11th. We're lowering product prices for most DTG t-shirts and hoodie bestsellers. Free design and marketing tools that were previously only available to our subscription customers are now available to everyone. Shipping rates for t-shirts and hoodies are increasing to be more consistent with the market. We'll now have a consistent embroidery service fee policy in all geographies. This is really, really cool. Now let's have a look at their prices so that you can see why I thought making a video was the right move rather than just create a post. I wanted to reach as many people as possible because this is big news. Let's start with the USA. So a men's classic tee, Gildan 5000. It used to be $10.95 and it's going to be $9.25. That's $1.70. That's a really big difference. Now let's have a look at the Bella Canvas 3001, and that's going from $12.95 to $11.50. Another huge drop in price. You've then got the crew neck sweatshirt, which is $19.95, going down to $18.50. These are big price drops. And then the unisex heavy bend hoodie, Gildan 18500, going from $22.95 to $21.95. So not as big of a drop, but still pretty drastic when it comes to increasing your bottom line. You've then got the unisex basic soft style Gildan 6400, going from $9.95 to $9.25. So that's probably the smallest decrease, but then again, it was always the cheapest option. So that is absolutely crazy how low these prices have gone to. This will be massive for so many people because you will be making so much more money without having to do anything different. Now, these prices firmly put Printful back to the number 1 spot for the most affordable items that you could be selling. But remember, it's important to note amongst all of this good news from Printful, the shipping prices have increased just a little bit, sometimes by 50 cents, sometimes by a bit more. But all in all, these updates were still in the green. Even though the shipping's up, the pricing is down, we're still actually saving a bit more than we were previously. If you don't actually use Printful yet, I highly recommend doing so and connecting it to various platforms like Etsy, Amazon, eBay, any of them. I do have a link down to Printful in the description below, but like I said, this wasn't a sponsored video. I just got this email and I thought it's about time I share some good news. If you haven't set up Printful and Etsy together and you don't know how, then I highly recommend watching this video here where I show you exactly step by step how you can use Printful and set up a full Etsy store. It's a really good video and it will tell you everything you need to know.